Venn diagrams aren't just circles on a screen, they are also a transformative tool for communicating complex data in a digestible format. So crafting a PowerPoint Venn diagram is a breeze when you know the steps, and in this video, we will show you exactly how to do that. So to begin, head over the Insert tab, go to SmartArt option nestled within the Illustrations group, then a window called Choose a SmartArt graphic will pop up. Now select Relationship to view different Venn diagram layouts. You just have to pick one that fits your data story, like Basic Venn for simplicity's sake. Once you have made your choice, you have to click OK, and you can now see your Venn diagram spring up in your document. Now the next task is to personalize the text. You can either use the text pane for guided input, or dive straight into the diagram for hands-on editing. Now it's about making the Venn diagram truly your own. The critical starting point in ensuring your Venn diagram makes a splash is selecting the right template. You also have to consider your audience and the subject matter to match the style with your content. This is because customizing your Venn diagram gives it a special touch, making your presentation not just informative but also engaging. You may also color each circle to reflect different categories or topics, and you can do it by right-clicking on any circle, select Format Shape, and choose Fill a Color or Gradient. You can also get creative with borders and effects to make elements pop. Moreover, don't forget to tinker with the text. Now that's how you can create a Venn diagram in your PowerPoint presentation in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.